Hair bleaching is a process that requires not only experience but also careful preparation. Before starting the bleaching, it is absolutely crucial to prepare the hair well, possibly strengthening it with special products to withstand the chemical treatment. Proper preparation is the foundation for healthy and shiny hair results. It is also important to precisely follow the process of bleaching and subsequent care. Without these steps, there is a risk of hair damage, uneven color, or unwanted yellow and orange tones. The good news is that practically any type of hair can be bleached, European, Asian, or other. However, each type of hair reacts a little differently, so it is necessary to adapt the process to the specific type. Even from Asian hair, with the right procedure, you can create beautiful platinum blonde of top quality, comparable to blonde hair made from European hair. However, Asia also has different qualities, and it's necessary to choose the right ones for the processing. Nevertheless, the resulting price-performance ratio is definitely the best with Asian hair. Just for bleaching European hair, it's something that's done very rarely because it simply doesn't make a financial sense. And no one will process beautiful European hair. Bleaching is not just about chemistry, but also an art that requires experience, precise techniques, and care for each strand of hair. Properly treated hair is beautiful, shiny, and healthy in the long term. And that is the goal of every professional. Another advantage of perfectly bleached hair is the reduced need for care, which saves clients time and money.